So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB exam revision series, we have here these 8 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic forms of government. So this video will be about monarchy features, merits and demerits. So in short, stay till the end of this video guys, as this is a very important one. So let's head on to the first question here. It says, an example of a country ruled by constitutional monarch is A. Uganda, B. Libya, C. Morocco, D. Italy. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, that's Morocco. So let's head on to the next question guys. So the next question we have here is question number 2. It says, a hereditary system of government is A. a monarchy, B. a gerontocracy, C. an aristocracy, D. an oligarchy. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's a monarchy. And that is for this question. Let's head on to the next one guys. So the next question we have here is question number 3. It says, a type of monarchy in which the monarch is the chief executive officer of the state is A. a military monarchy, B. a republican monarchy, C. constitutional monarchy, D. absolute monarchy. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's absolute monarchy. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question guys. So over here we have question number 4. It says, a rule by divine right is the basis of A. absolute monarchy, B. representative democracy, C. the feudal system, D. the republican system. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's absolute monarchy. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one guys. So here is question number 5. It says, the form of government in which the powers of the hereditary ruler are limited is A. absolute monarchy, B. aristocracy, C. totalitarianism, D. constitutional monarchy. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's constitutional monarchy. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one guys. So here's question number 6. It says, one basic feature of a monarchical form of government is that A. members of the executive are elected, B. separation of power is absolute, C. the ruler has a fixed tenure, D. succession is true heredity. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, succession is true heredity. So let's head on to the next one guys. So here is question number 7. It says, in a monarchical form of government, sovereignty resides with A. the entire citizenry, B. the council of ministers, C. peasantry, D. royalty. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's royalty. So let's head on to the next and last question for this video guys. So here's question number 8 of 8 and the last. It says, the personification of the throne and sovereignty of the state in one individual is the feature of A. fascism, B. monarchy, C. aristocracy. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, that's monarchy. That's it for this question guys. Monarchy is the answer to this question. That's it. So this is where we'll end this video for today guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.